Tips and tricks. Dressing smaller wounds than the FitPad. When dressing wounds smaller than the FitPad, this technique can be used. You have thoroughly cleaned the wound, applied a non-adherent contact layer over bone or other sensitive structures, and skin prep has been applied to the peri-wound skin. You protected the entire peri-wound with transparent film 3 to 5 centimeters. The foam has been cut and fits into the wound, and you have covered the wound with transparent film. When the wound is smaller than the FitPad, this technique can be used. Cut a hole in the transparent film to expose black foam. Now, cut a piece of black foam larger than the size of the FitPad, approximately 2 to 3 centimeters larger, and place on top of the hole you just cut, ensuring that foam touches foam. Apply a second layer of transparent film over the entire wound. Select appropriate location for the FitPad to be applied. Pinch the film and cut a small hole approximately 1 centimeter in diameter. Peel the white backing off of the FitPad to expose the adhesive. Place the FitPad centered over the previously cut hole in the dressing. Press firmly for adherence. Attach the dressing tubing to the pump tubing by pushing the quick connector together until you hear a secure click.